Good morning, everyone. At first, let me pay my regards to the Chancellor Sir, Vice Chancellor Sir, and the dignitaries which are assembled here to bless us all, and the guardians who have assembled along with the students who have secured very high rank or they have appeared well in the exam, and my respected teachers assembled here. At first, I would like to congratulate my colleagues who have, along with me, secured a rank, or even if not have secured the rank, have passed the examination well. Because having a rank or not doesn't matter in the life later on. I would like to thank the entire USTM family for having me here and for giving me the opportunity to stand before you and to take blessings from you, which will empower me grow in the life. And I would heartily thank the Chancellor Sir, Vice Chancellor Sir, and entire teachers and students of USTM for congratulating me and for giving me an opportunity to stay in your university. I will review it, but I ensure that I will surely join you for CSR net coaching. Even if I can join just now, I can join it after 5 years when I would come from ISA, and I ensure it. So I thank you all.